Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Picasso Tiles is probably one of the most versatile and engaging building toys available today, offering endless possibilities for creative construction and imaginative play for children of all ages. These magnetic tiles are designed to spark curiosity and develop essential skills such as spatial reasoning, problem solving, and fine motor control, making them a fantastic educational tool disguised as pure fun. Whether you're looking for a way to entertain your kids during quiet afternoons or seeking a toy that encourages collaborative building and STEM learning, Picasso Tiles stand out as a top-tier choice that grows with your child. Number 5. Picasso Tiles 42 PCS Magnetic Tile Starter Set. Spark your child's creativity and build their confidence with these vibrant magnetic tiles. They can dream up amazing creations while exploring early STEM concepts, making learning feel like play. These educational toys are perfect for developing problem-solving and spatial skills naturally. Hands-on discovery makes STEM exciting and engaging for young minds. Designed for collaboration, these magnetic playsets encourage teamwork. Siblings or classmates can build amazing structures side by side, fostering social skills. Looking for an educational present? These magnetic tiles are a hit. They help children explore design, engineering, and creativity while building essential preschool and STEM skills. Simple, bright, and easy for little hands to use, these tiles unlock limitless pretend play. They are a breeze to store and grow with your child's imagination. What we like? This starter set is perfect for little builders just beginning their magnetic tile journey. It encourages creativity and confidence while introducing basic STEM concepts. If you are looking for an introductory set that is easy to use and sparks imagination, this is a great choice for toddlers and preschoolers. What people say. The magnets are strong and hold the pieces together well. The tiles are colorful and engaging for young children. They are easy to clean and durable for long-term play. Number 4. Diamond Magnetic Building Blocks Princess Castle. Let your child's creativity and imagination soar with this magnetic tile set. They can build and play with a prince, princess, and their very own castle. Crafted from safe, durable ABS plastic, these tiles include doors, windows, and stairs. Your child can construct their own winter castle and kingdom with carefully selected parts. This set is compatible with other magnetic tile kits, making it perfect for extended play. It's ideal for home, road trips, or playdates at the park. Encourage STEAM learning and develop essential skills like fine motor control and problem solving. These tiles make learning fun through building, designing, and storytelling. Looking for a fun and educational gift? This is an ideal present for birthdays, Christmas, or holidays for children who love princess castles and building blocks. What we like? This set is designed for those who love fantasy and fairy tale play. It includes special pieces like doors and windows to bring princess castles to life. If your child dreams of building magical kingdoms and enjoys imaginative role-playing, this set offers a unique theme that will captivate them. What people say. The magnets are strong and hold the pieces together well. The tiles are colorful and engaging for young children. They are easy to clean and durable for long-term play. Number 3. Picasso Tiles 152 PCS Mirror Theme Magnetic Tiles. Discover a world of creativity with this 152-piece magnetic tile set. It's designed to support early brain development through engaging STEM learning. Kids can explore shapes, colors, and design while building anything they can imagine. These magnetic tiles offer endless building possibilities, perfect for both indoor and outdoor adventures. Kids can create anything from car garages to castles, and even combine them with other toys for new imaginative play. Experience enhanced visual fun with the new mirror finish tiles that reflect light. This feature sparks creativity and storytelling, making it ideal for designing unique structures and enhancing sensory stimulation. Built with powerful magnets, these blocks connect securely from any angle, ensuring stable creations. The durable, BPA-free plastic with smooth edges is safe and easy for little hands to manipulate. This set encourages the development of fine motor skills, teamwork, and engineering thinking. It provides a fun, screen-free way for children to learn and build. Enjoy clutter-free storage and easy cleanup with this engaging building set. It's a fantastic educational toy for children aged 3 and up. What we like? With a massive 152 pieces and a unique mirror theme, this set offers endless creative possibilities. The reflective tiles add a new dimension to building, perfect for creating futuristic designs or dazzling castles. If you want a comprehensive set that provides hours of open-ended play and encourages advanced design thinking, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. The magnets are strong and hold the tiles together well, making it easy to build stable structures. The variety of shapes and colors included in the set allows for creative and diverse building possibilities. The tiles are durable and have withstood frequent use without any signs of wear and tear. Number 2. Picasso Tiles Racetrack Magnetic Tiles Car Toy Playset PTR 30. Ignite your child's imagination with our magnetic racetrack set. It's designed to foster creativity and critical thinking through hands-on play. Watch as they connect magnetized edges to build multi-layered, 3D tracks. They'll learn about physics and magnets while creating exciting designs. 2 speedy trucks are included to enhance focus and creativity. Build vibrant, looping courses and a realistic racing city with street signs. This colorful set encourages STEM skills and creativity for ages 3 and up. They can design unique racetracks, promoting individual or group play. Develop creativity and STEM skills through visual exploration and building. They'll gain a strong understanding of shapes, colors, and magnetic principles. This playset seamlessly integrates STEAM learning, inspiring creativity. It builds technical, architectural, and critical thinking skills through engaging, hands-on activities. What we like. This playset is all about speed and excitement, allowing kids to build their own dynamic racetracks. It comes with race cars to get the action started right away. If your child is fascinated by vehicles, racing, and creating their own courses, this set will provide thrilling, hands-on fun and introduce them to physics concepts. What people say. The magnets are strong and hold the pieces together well. The tiles are translucent and colorful, making them great for light table play. They are easy for little hands to manipulate and connect. Number 1. Picasso Tiles 70 PC Magnetic Marble Run STEM Set. Give your child a head start with this engaging STEM toy. It promotes cognitive growth, problem solving, and hand-eye coordination through fun, hands-on play. With 10 unique parts, they can build multi-layered marble racetracks and 3D structures. This encourages imagination and logical thinking as they design complex paths. This set makes learning fun and educational, perfect for preschoolers and beyond. It supports pretend play, collaboration, and develops crucial building skills. Keep young minds engaged and growing with this hands-on exploration. It helps them grasp concepts like shapes, counting, magnetism, and early engineering. It seamlessly blends science, technology, engineering, art, and math. Kids naturally learn and develop artistic, technical, and problem-solving skills through intuitive play. The magnetic tiles assemble effortlessly, delivering hours of hands-on fun. Cleanup is simple, making it a convenient choice for parents. What we like. This set brings the excitement of a marble run to life, challenging kids to create intricate paths for marbles to travel. The translucent tiles add a visual appeal as the marbles race through. If you're looking for a toy that combines engineering challenges with the fun of watching things move, this marble run set is perfect for developing critical thinking and spatial reasoning skills. What people say. The magnets are strong and hold the pieces together well, making it easy to build stable structures. The variety of shapes and sizes included in the set allows for creative and complex designs. The tiles are durable and have withstood frequent use without any damage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.